Around 400 years ago, a British man by the name of Isaac Newton discovered three laws of motion that completely revolutionized the way that we look at the field of physics. Let's take a look at the first law, for example. If you don't move something, it won't move. Well, actually, it may not have been that revolutionary. On a more real note, Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain at rest or continue moving at a constant speed and in a straight line unless an external force acts upon it. This basically means that if you put an apple on a table, it won't move unless a force acts on it, like a gust of wind. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to its mass and the force applied on it. This basically means the heavier the object, the greater the acceleration, and the greater the net force acting on the object, the greater the acceleration. The equation for Newton's second law is F is equal to ma, where F is the force, m is the mass, and a is the acceleration. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here's a great example to illustrate Newton's third law of motion. There's a woman and she's pushing the wall, and she applies a force of 40 newtons. However, the wall will also apply a force of 40 newtons in the opposite direction. This might explain why you feel like you're being pushed back when you're pushing something like a wall or a sofa. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so I can get more subscribers. Thank you.